Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Kendra, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make blueberry pancakes, and this is going to be this extremely easy version. So all you are going to need is some pancake mix of your choice, and I am going to be using the Aunt Your Mama Buttermilk Complete Pancakes, where all you do is add water. So depending on how many pancakes you want, like, you guys should know by my videos by now, I do not measure, so I'm just going to use this much of the pancake mix and hope that I get at least 2 medium-sized pancakes. And like I said, all you have to do is add water. Next, I got some, I can't believe it's not butter, and it's just the vegan kind. You can use real butter, you can use fake butter, you can use a little drizzle of olive oil, whatever you prefer. You also need a spatula, non-stick skillet, and I am using frozen blueberries. So these blueberries are frozen, and I'm going to show you guys how I simply add these to my pancake. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and add the water to the mix, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I have my batter right here, and this is the consistency that I prefer. And I have my skillet lightly greased, and I have it up on medium-low heat. So I'm just going to try to fit 2 medium-sized pancakes in here.
So with the amount of batter that I have left, I'll probably be able to get one more medium-sized pancake.
I'll do 1 more spoon. So to me, that is good. And now, at this step, you're just gonna start adding the blueberries. So you can do as many blueberries as you prefer, and I just drop them in random areas. If you want to burst me with blueberries, then of course fill it up. The more the better. Now let's press them down slightly. Because remember, they are frozen. Don't think that they're going to be all wet and mushy and disgusting, because that's not the case. Like, I just randomly made these like this one morning, and they came out perfect. And I just started doing it like that, and it has not failed me since. So hopefully, for the sake of this video, they turn out how they turn out off camera. So yeah, I feel like that's enough blueberries. And if you are somebody that wants to like jazz them up and whatnot, then maybe you may not want to use frozen strawberries, or have like some fresh unthawed strawberries in your fridge. You know, if you want to like plate it all beautifully and have blueberries just falling off your pancakes and whatnot. So yeah, so basically with your pancakes, you just make sure it's actually bubbling at the top. That's how you know that they are done. You can actually just like follow the back of your box instructions after this. Like, it's not hard at all. Yeah, so we're just gonna let those cook. And if you're kind of unsure about how they look underneath, then you can just take a little peek-see. As you can see, those are known, they're done. They're too light skinned. We don't want no light skinned pancakes. We want nice golden brown pancakes. So yes, I'm going to let these cook. Then I am going to flip them. If you need to add any more butter or oil, whatever you use to lightly grease your skillet, then do so once you flip them just a little bit. And then you're going to plate them and put your favorite syrup on top, or fresh blueberries on the side, and they're going to be done. So I'm going to finish cooking these up, and then I will let you guys know what they look like when I come back. Okay, you guys, so this is how the blueberry pancakes are looking right now. So now what you want to do is slightly press it down just a little bit, because you don't want your blueberries to be cold. You don't press it down too much, but just a little bit. You just let them finish cooking on that side. If you want yours like more golden, like crispy on the edges, then just give it a few more seconds. But yeah. And this side can cook really, really quick. Just slide your spatula under a little bit. Let's see how that looks. Oh, they are stuck together. And it smells so good and sweet. Let's see how that side looks. Look at those blueberries. Yeah, that is so good. Look at the juices. Yes, So how you know your blueberries are done? You can hear them sizzling. If you want to flip them over on the other side, I have a habit of like flipping my pancakes over on the other side. Right now, I just turn the eye off. You can flip them over and let them cook for about 10 more seconds on the other side. So I like the side that I'm gonna put with the syrup want to be nice and hot, but we're gonna keep them like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate these, you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like when I come back again. First, you guys, so this is how they came out. I'm just gonna drizzle some Achimama syrup on top of them. I don't like a whole lot of syrup. So, yes. And let's see how these look. You guys just see. Oh, look how those blueberries just pop out. They look extra delicious. So good. Hope I can get a really good angle. But just about every single bite has delicious blueberry bite. Yum. Way too much syrup. But they're super good. So yeah, make sure you guys try this recipe. It is super easy. If you literally want to make homemade pancakes, then go right ahead. But it's something super quick and easy you can do in the morning, or just for yourself, for your kids, or just for yourself. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe and you'd like to see more easy peasy pancake recipes. And comment down below and let me know. Just anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.